Hello everybody, it's Simon. Today I'm going to help you tackle a common issue with LG washers, specifically when the washer stops mid-cycle with a pesky OE error code. This usually means that we need to take a look at the drain pump filter, and possibly a kinked drain hose. But don't worry, this is definitely something you can handle yourself. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you won't miss out on more DIY appliance repair tips. Let's get this washer back up and running smoothly. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For the job, we're going to need a flat desk screwdriver, a towel, and a shop vac. Before proceeding with the troubleshooting, you need to be sure that the drain pump motor is running. So with the washer plugged in, set it to any short cycle and start it. Then listen to the drain pump if it's on. The first thing the washer is doing when you turn it on is draining. So that sound that you're hearing is the sound of running drain pump. If the motor makes noises, proceed with testing. If not, then you need to go to the drain pump bypassing the other parts for now. Your drain hose is located at the back of the washer. It's connecting the washer to the drain stand pipe. A lot of times the washer is pushed too close to the wall in order to be lined up with a dryer or some other reasons. As a result, the drain hose gets kinked, restricting the water flow. If you pull the washer out of the wall so you can see the drain hose clearly, fix the kinks and try the drain cycle. If the hose won't stay unkinked, you've got to get a new one. The drain pump filter is screwed into the drain pump housing. You realize that the washer is full of water and the door could be locked. Unless the washer is in the garage or outside and you are not afraid of a flood, unplug the washer, turn the water supply off, open the drain pump door bottom left, and slowly unscrew the pump filter. But this is too good to be true. Most likely, your washer is inside the house or even upstairs. So put a good-sized towel on the floor, then open the drain pump door. Squeeze the hinges using the flat desk screwdriver and remove the door of the hinges. Get a shop vac ready, put it under the filter, and turn it on. Start unscrewing the filter slowly, turning it counterclockwise. Keep sucking the water out and check the water level inside the tub. When the water is below the door opening, tighten the filter and plug the washer in. When you turn the power on, the door should unlock. Unplug the washer again and open the door. Then use a shop vac to remove water directly from the tub. It's faster and less messy. Then for a final stroke, go back to the filter and remove the rest of the water using the shop vac. Unscrew the filter completely and pull it out. Remove all of the junk out of the filter and wash it. You'll be surprised what can be found inside that filter. Check the inside of the pump housing and clean it as needed. If the filter is broken, well, replace it. If you'll find the filter is in a good shape and after cleaning it, your washer still not draining, you will need to move to the drain pump itself. It's a very rare case when the pump motor burns out. The typical problem is a broken impeller. If you hear the pump motor is chugging along in a drain cycle and you check both filter and the drain hose but still no drain, that it's the drain pump. We completed our troubleshooting and found the guilty party. It's the drain pump filter. All we need to do now is to replace it. This is the old drain pump filter next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Slide the new filter in all the way. It will go in only in one position and tighten it well. Install the pump filter door onto the hinges and plug the washer in. Turn the water on and start the washer. Check for leaks, tighten the filter more if needed, and then close the pump door. Great job tackling the drain pump filter on your LG washer. We would love to hear how your repair went. Share your experience in the comments below. If you need any parts or a replacement filter, just grab your model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com. With fast shipping, Most orders arrive in just a few days, so your appliance can be back in action in no time. Thanks for choosing us for your repair journey, and we look forward to seeing you on your next project.